Hey guys, I've been looking for a good keto low-carb bread, and I've been trying different ones like the 90-second bread and the fathead dough, and what I've discovered is I really don't like almond flour. The 90-second bread just tastes like egg to me, and the fathead dough, it's so dry, I don't enjoy eating it. And I did find a recipe that substituted pork rinds for the almond flour, and that did come out better, but it's still really not like bread. It's like a flat bread that tastes like cheese, and that's not a bad thing, but I'm trying to find something that's closer to bread that is not really complicated and uses a bunch of weird ingredients. So I came across this recipe by Dr. Sarah Myhill, and her video is linked below. And she says it's delicious. It uses linseed, which is another name for flaxseed. So I am going to make it, and then I'm going to try it on camera for the first time and give you my honest opinion. This recipe uses flaxseed and water and a little bit of salt. And you have to measure the flaxseed and the water precisely. And you can get those measurements from the original video that I've linked below. And the important thing is you have to grind up the flaxseed very finely. And after you do that, then you add the water in all at once, stir it up until it forms a ball, and then you put it into a greased tin. And she used lard, but I'm going to use bacon fat. And then it goes into the oven, 425 degrees for an hour. Here's my dough already, and I'm going to take it out and put it into the pan. Try not to handle it too much because she says do not knead it. So this is not, this is looking kind of rough. I'm just going to kind of squish it in there a little bit. My pan might be a little bit larger than the one she used, but this is all I have, so it's going to have to do. So I'm going to stick this into the oven right now. Okay, so the bread has been baking for an hour and has been out of the oven resting for an hour. And I have to say, it doesn't smell like bread, but it doesn't smell bad. I would say it has kind of a nutty aroma. And it's a little soft on the top. That looks good. It feels like bread. Anyway, I'm going to cut it open. Definitely looks like bread. So here's another slice. And now I'm going to give it a try. Okay, so I'm finished baking and I have a slice of bread here. And I've got a couple of bites that I'm going to try. One without butter, and then I'm going to try one with butter. So here it goes. I mean, it's okay. It's a little, I don't know, it's not dry. It does feel like it's moist. It doesn't have really a lot of flavor. I feel like I need a drink. I'm going to try the one with butter and see how that is. Well, that definitely helps. The texture really is bread-like, closest to bread that I've tried. And it does have the advantage of being zero carb, so well, I've got this entire loaf to eat, and I am going to eat it. And I think as long as it's slathered with a bunch of butter or something, she says, Dr. Myhill says that she likes to fry it. That's probably good too. But yeah, so I mean, it's okay. It's worth a try. It's 0 carb. It's easy to make. So if you give it a try, please tell me what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching.